Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone sound and vibration setting. And today friends I will show you a phone charging sound guys, how can we on and how can we use it. Friends, you want to on guys your phone charging sound, so how can we on today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. First of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, click on phone sound and vibration, tap on sound and vibration, again scroll. As you can see guys, your phone charging sound and vibration setting is tap here. After on guys, how can we use it? So guys, let me charge my phone. So guys, I will on guys my charger. And first of all, lock your screen. And as you can see guys, when we will charge our phone. So as you can see guys, your phone charging sound is on. So like that guys, you can on guys your Infinix phone charging sound and you can use it. So bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.